Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code for free in Visual Studio Code. First, open Visual Studio Code and go directly to the Extensions section. Click on Extensions, and in the search box, type OpenRouter. You will see an option for OpenRouter AI. Click on it, and you will find an Install button. Click on Install. After installing, the OpenRouter logo will appear in the sidebar. Let me just close some tabs. Now, click on the OpenRouter logo, and you'll be prompted to enter an OpenRouter API key. We need to obtain this API key by going to a browser and searching for OpenRouter. Press Enter and look for OpenRouter.ai. Click on the link. On OpenRouter.ai, you'll see a Sign Up option. Click on Sign Up, and you can register using your GitHub or Google account. I'll demonstrate signing up with a Google account. Click the Google option and select your email address. Now logged in, click on the three-dot menu and look for the Keys option. Click on it. You'll find an API Keys section and a Create API Key button. Click it and give your API key a name. Let's call it AI Free. You can name it whatever you like and leave everything else blank. You'll see options like Credit Limit, Reset Limit, and Expiration Date. Just leave them as they are and click on Create. This will generate your API key. Copy this key immediately because you won't be able to view it again. After copying, go back to Visual Studio Code, and where it prompts for your OpenRouter API key, paste it and press Enter. You will now see a chat option for OpenRouter. At the bottom, you'll find different models available. Click on the Models section, and you'll see Claude Sonnet Evalue. Select it to start writing your prompts. Note that Claude Sonnet offers a limited number of tokens. The token limit is approximately 100K to 200K. This should suffice for small projects, but for larger projects, you might run out of tokens. If that happens, you can switch to a free model. At the end of the list, you'll see models labeled as free. For instance, Llama Evalue Point 1 and Llama Evalue Point 1405B Instruct are available for free use. There's also Phi Mini available for free. If you exhaust the tokens for Claude Code, you can switch to these free models to avoid running out of tokens. So that's how you can use Claude Code for free in VS Code. Remember, it's not entirely free, but I hope this video was useful.